Imagine a device lost for millennia. Now imagine it could predict eclipses, it could chart the heavens. It even knew when to hold the Olympics. This is not science fiction, this is the Antikythera Mechanism, a stunning artifact from ancient Greece. It's considered the world's first analog computer. It's a testament to the ingenuity of our ancestors. Join me as we unravel its mysteries. The Antikythera Mechanism challenges our understanding of the past. How could a civilization known for its artistry and philosophy produce such a complex machine? What other marvels might lie hidden beneath the sands of time? The Antikythera Mechanism beckons us to explore further. It invites us to question what we think we know about history. Our story begins in 1901. Off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera, a group of sponge divers stumbled upon a shipwreck. Amongst the usual treasures of antiquity, they found something extraordinary. It was a lump of corroded bronze. Little did they know they had stumbled upon a technological marvel. This was no ordinary artifact. The divers brought their find back to the surface. It was a soggy mass of corroded bronze and wood. At first glance, it didn't seem like much, but upon closer inspection, experts realized something remarkable. Encased within the bronze were intricate gears and inscriptions. This was no ordinary relic. The find was christened the Antikythera Mechanism, after the island near its watery grave. The discovery sent ripples through the archaeological community. It challenged long-held assumptions about ancient technology. Here was a device of remarkable sophistication, yet it predated any known technology of its kind by centuries. The Antikythera Mechanism posed more questions than answers. The Antikythera Mechanism was badly corroded. Its secrets remained locked within its bronze embrace. Decades passed. Scholars could only speculate about its purpose. Then came the game-changer X-rays. This technology allowed researchers to peer inside the artifact without causing further damage. What they found astonished the world. The X-ray images revealed a complex system of gears and plates. There were inscriptions too, providing vital clues. It became clear that the Antikythera Mechanism was no simple calendar. This was a sophisticated astronomical calculator. It was centuries ahead of its time. The level of miniaturization was astounding. Some gears were no bigger than a few millimeters. The precision of their construction was remarkable. It spoke to a level of craftsmanship rarely seen in the ancient world. The Antikythera Mechanism was not just a scientific instrument, it was a work of art. The Antikythera Mechanism was no less than a portable universe. Imagine holding the cosmos in your hands. This device tracked the sun, the moon, and the 5 known planets. It even predicted eclipses with surprising accuracy. It was a feat of engineering unmatched for centuries. The mechanism's functions were not limited to astronomy. It could also track the 4-year cycle of the ancient Olympic Games. This suggests it might have held cultural significance as well. The Antikythera Mechanism was more than just a scientific instrument. It was a window into the minds of its creators. It revealed a people fascinated by the cosmos and their place within it. The Antikythera Mechanism's complexity is staggering. Consider the time it was created, around the 2nd century BC. This was a time long before the invention of telescopes or even the printing press. Yet here was a device capable of calculations that would baffle mathematicians for centuries. It is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity. The craftsmanship of the Antikythera Mechanism is astonishing. It was crafted with a level of precision and sophistication that wouldn't be seen again for centuries. The gears were cut with remarkable accuracy. The inscriptions were meticulously detailed. This device was more than just a tool. It was a masterpiece. The existence of the Antikythera Mechanism challenges our understanding of ancient technology. It suggests that the ancient Greeks possessed knowledge and skills far beyond what we previously thought possible. How did they achieve such precision in their craftsmanship? What other secrets did their civilization hold? The Antikythera Mechanism compels us to revise our understanding of the past. The Antikythera Mechanism is a lone star in the technological firmament of antiquity. It's a beacon of advanced knowledge amidst a sea of simpler tools and technologies. This raises intriguing questions about the transmission of knowledge. Were there other devices like it? Was this knowledge lost and rediscovered? The Antikythera Mechanism opens a Pandora's box of possibilities. The Antikythera Mechanism stands alone. No other device of comparable complexity has been found from that era. It's a technological outlier, a testament to the unpredictable nature of innovation. Why was this knowledge seemingly lost? Why didn't similar devices become commonplace? These questions continue to fascinate historians and scientists alike. Some theories suggest a catastrophic loss of knowledge, perhaps due to war or natural disaster. Others propose that the technology was simply too advanced for its time. Maybe it was too expensive to replicate. Perhaps the knowledge was kept secret by a select few. Whatever the reason, the Antikythera Mechanism remains a tantalizing enigma. The Antikythera Mechanism reminds us that history is not always linear. Progress is not always a steady march forward. Sometimes knowledge is lost, cultures decline, but the human spirit of inquiry, the desire to understand the universe that never truly disappears. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than just an ancient artifact. It's a symbol of human ingenuity. It's a reminder of the boundless possibilities of the human mind. It serves as a powerful reminder that we may yet uncover other technological marvels from the past. The Antikythera Mechanism continues to captivate our imagination. It's a reminder that our ancestors were just as intelligent and inventive as we are. It serves as a challenge to keep exploring, keep digging, keep asking questions. Who knows what other secrets lie buried beneath the sands of time waiting to be discovered? The Antikythera Mechanism is a testament to the enduring power of curiosity. It's a reminder that the quest to understand the universe is timeless. It's a call to explore, to discover, and to never stop marveling at the wonders of our cosmos.